with ma. You are most welcome. If you didn't watch part 1, maybe it's here. Please go and watch it. And if you didn't watch part 2, please, this is the part 2, go and watch it. So this is videos we making it actually for the teachers and for the students, for all the learners, for teachers as well. Sometimes it's asking us, it's I'm really finding problems to answer the students if they asking for ma or whatever, too much things, because dialect or Levantine, there is no too much sources of grammars. You should be, as a teacher, working yourself too much. So yeah, for 1.5 years I was like a bit sick with, I'm not focusing with someone who's talking with me, I'm just focusing with what he's saying. I mean, with Arabs, even with my family, friends, why he used participle here, why he used past perfect, why he used blah blah blah. So I always, my mind was working in way, just thinking about the grammars. That's why I'm maybe having too much notes, grammars in Yalla Arabee at the books. If anyone needs a book, of course, we could send it to him or her. We are glad to help all the learners. So now let's talk about the part 3. Now, so first one, خلينا نروح هلا أحسن ما نتأخر. So let's go now, else to be late or to get late. Okay? طيب, هلا. You see, it comes أحسن ما and then there is a verb. We'll see the other examples. مطرح ما أكلنا المرة الماضية. The place that we ate last time. Where are you? مطرح ما أكلنا المرة الماضية. مطرح ما أكلنا المرة. Or you could say محل ما. Some people know it as a مكان ما أكلنا المرة الماضية. All is right. There is no mistake. There is different accent, other words. Okay? In all the languages, even in notes. If I don't know if you have notes. So when you talk and someone, for example, didn't understand or didn't hear you, and you try to repeat the question in different way. You use other words but has the same meaning. So محل, مطرح, مكان, it's same. So if you see between مطرح and أكلنا, there is verbs. So they don't like to be together. So always there is ma between them. So ما مطرح ما أكلنا المرة الماضية. خليك عم تحاول إلا ما تزبط. So keep trying. Certainly gonna work. تزبط إلا ما تزبط. So now لحظة ما يوصل على البيت خبرك. لحظة ما يوصل على البيت خبرك. You see? So at the moment that he arrives home or he comes back, I will tell you. Okay. طول ما أنا عايش ما راح تحتاجي شيء. طول ما أنا عايش ما راح تحتاجي شيء. So as long as I'm living, you're not gonna need anything. You're not gonna need anything. So which is a bit personality toxic, I know. All the students told me the same. So you see, always there is a ما طول ما. طيب. Oh, the last one is راح استعجل قد ما فيني. So I'm gonna speed, or I'm gonna be in hurry as much as I can, or however much I can. تمام؟ قد ما فيني. There is other examples. You're gonna see them together, guys. So now we're gonna see the other examples, which is you may hear it when you're talking with Arabs. So راح ضل أركض لحد ما أوصل على بيتك. I will keep running until I reach your home. لبين ما طبعا لحد it's limit or border. لبين ما بين ما if you are studied الفصحى before you hear it as بينما. So لبين ما تسخن الماء بيكون خلصت شغل. So by the time تسخن الماء, the water gets hot, I will finish work or my work can be done. طيب كان الأكل جاهز قبل ما أوصل على البيت. It was the food ready before I arrive home. قبل ما, you see the indicator of time, indicator of place, you see always there is ma between the indicator of time and the verb. They don't like to be together. There is, so the solution was for ma to be in the middle between them. So بطلت الدخان بعد ما مات جدي. I quit smoking after my grandfather died. Died actually. بطلت الدخان بعد ما مات جدي. It's not passed away, مات, it's died. Passed away, توفى. مثل ما بتعرف أنا بطلت الكحول من شهر. As you know, أنا بطلت الكحول, I quit alcohol 1 month ago. بدل ما تحكي تعال حط إيدك. Instead you talk, come and put your hand. And there is people that always giving advices. I should, they sitting and then I think you have to do that rather than that. Okay, you can come and put your hand, be helpful. It's better than sitting and then giving advices. حسب ما يكون الجو, depending what's gonna be the weather. تروحوا على البحر, you wanna go to the beach, حسب ما يكون الجو. So depending what's gonna be the weather. So راح ضل أركض لحد ما, you see always there is verb, after ma there is a verb. So this was the examples. This is the part 3, which is the last one. I hope after this 3 parts of ma, when you use ma, because it's most common mistake. Always people say قبل بروح, no, قبل ما روح, blah blah blah, and then you continue. This is after the indicator of time and place, especially. So I hope it was useful, and if you really have any question, maybe sometimes wasn't that clear, you could ask in the comment. We're gonna be so happy to help you guys, really. And don't forget to put comment and share it with your friends. This is the only support you could support us actually. And I will see you next session, guys. Have a lovely weekend. حبكم كتير.